In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add debit card to Revolut. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of using a debit card to top up on Revolut. I just want to make a quick disclaimer. Unfortunately, you will not be able to directly add a debit card to your Revolut account to link them, so keep that in mind. While you will still be able to top up using a debit card, you will not be able to add any debit card that you have to Revolut. The app does not offer that functionality, and if that's what you are planning to do, then it is going to be impossible. Now, if you wanted to top up using your debit card, all that you have to do is open the latest version of the Revolut app, and in there you will be able to tap the option to add money. When you choose add money, you will have some options to add money to your account, and one of them is going to be debit or credit card. So all that you have to do is choose that option after you select add money. So choose debit or credit card, and now enter the details about your debit card. So the full card number, the expiry date, and the security code at the back. Once you have included all of those details and any other additional details needed, just proceed and confirm the amount that you want to top up with. Complete the transaction and you will receive the amount that you selected in balance. Of course, the origin of the payment is going to be the debit card that you input, so that's where the balance is going to be transferred from. Ensure that you have a strong connection or mobile data when adding balance to your account this way so it always goes through, and be aware of your debit card's daily or monthly spending limits to avoid issues. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you will not be able to link your debit card to Revolut. You can only use the debit card to top up through this manner, and you will receive the amount that you chose. Be aware of any top-up fees and you will be good to go to receive balance in Revolut. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card in Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.